The admin toolbar module is super useful for discovery. I once heard a metaphor for exploring the Drupal administration navigation, which was going up and down grocery aisles, which is exactly what any of us do when we're trying to figure out exactly what Drupal is capable of. The admin toolbar module allows us to do this a lot faster. But there's a second module that we're going to install called Coffee that will allow us to jump to a specific page based on a couple of keystrokes. If admin toolbar is like walking up and down grocery aisles, Coffee is like teleporting to a place you already know you want to go to. So let's go to the Coffee page. I know it's under drupal.org/project, and I'm just going to make a guess that the name of the project is Coffee. Now let's do a quick review to decide whether this is a good module to install. Of course, you're getting a recommendation from somebody who has some experience with Drupal, and that's always a positive indicator without looking at the specific metrics. But you can't always get a direct recommendation, so it's good to know how to evaluate this on your own. It helps you feel a lot more confident about the modules that you're using. All right, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and look at the reported installs. Okay, there's 14,000. Let's look at these specific numbers for Drupal 8. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so 8 has about 800. It's definitely much more popular than 7 at this point, but 800 is a pretty solid number still. I'm going to go back. Let's look at the number of issues. So 34 to 139. So about 1/5 of them are still open. That's a good sign. I'm going to take a quick look at the issues here. All right, it looks like there's been some activity within the last week, which is good. There's a lot of closed issues recently. All right, I'm going to go back. Let's look at how recently this project was committed to. So it looks like about 1 month ago. That's a good window of time. I'm going to click on this maintainer. Okay, it looks like Marco has worked on a lot of different projects, so I feel pretty good about them. I'm going to go back. And if I scroll down, it looks like we have some recommended releases, though the version 8 is still in beta. To me, there's plenty of indicators that this is a healthy module. So let's go ahead and install this.